Hi all, welcome back to my channel. Today I come up with a hot topic in India, that is ONDC. It stands for Open Network for Digital Commerce. It is non-profit company by Government of India, whose network will enable the display of products and services from all participating e-commerce platforms in search results across all apps, which is mainly targeted to reduce monopoly of large-size e-commerce companies and help local shops and consumers. People also say ONDC is UPI of e-commerce. As of now, only few e-commerce apps are registered with ONDC, and that are PayTM Mall, MyStore and Spice Money. In this video, let us see how to order grocery using PayTM Mall app through ONDC platform. Let's get started. First, open PayTM Mall app and search your required product. Now select the product. Now here you can add or change the address. I updated the address. Now add to cart. If you want to other product from same shop, click here to visit the shop site. Here it's mentioned that trusted ONDC merchant and new seller on ONDC. Here is the list of products. Now select your product and keep on adding them to cart. At the end, click on Go to Cart. See the pricing details here. There will be shipping fee and it is minimum of ₹50 per order. This is my sample order and total amount is ₹150. Now click on Proceed to Pay. Here you have multiple payment options. I go with PayTM Wallet. Done. First order through ONDC is placed. Here you can see the status. Within few seconds, order is packed and it's waiting for pickup by the delivery person. As per schedule, it will reach my address within 44 minutes. This is how you can order through ONDC. Thank you for watching this video. If this video is helpful to you, please like and share. And please subscribe to the channel so that you will receive more such useful videos in future, and it motivates me to create more videos. Thanks again, see you in next video.